Are you ready to transform your Tableau data projects from chaotic to confidently successful? First, we need to understand what a Business Requirements Document, or BRD, is. Think of it as the roadmap to your Tableau success. This document outlines what we are building, why it's important to our stakeholders, and how it is going to be built. Step 1 is the project overview. Start by clearly stating your project's name and a brief summary of its goals. Consider this a high-level description. Mention the objectives for the project, like increasing sales, improving efficiency, or whatever business issue the project will be solving. Next, let's focus on data sources. Identify all the data sources your Tableau project will use, such as databases, spreadsheets, cloud sources, etc. Detail the data's location, format, and any considerations like data cleansing or transformations. This ensures everyone is on the same page when importing the data into Tableau. Moving on to visualization requirements. This is where it gets interesting. Describe the specific visualizations we'll build. Include the type of charts like bar charts, dashboards, geographic maps, bullet charts, any interactive elements desired such as filters, drill downs, and data labels. Step 4. Outline your key performance indicators, or KPIs. Define the metrics that will measure the project's success. You are looking for things such as monthly sales, customer satisfaction, or conversion rates. How will these KPIs be visualized and how will they be tracked? Finally, Stakeholder SignOff. This section ensure that key leaders have reviewed the BRD. Include contact information and any approval signatures to keep everyone accountable. This document ensures that the project is well-defined and aligned with the business goals. Following these steps creates a BRD that will dramatically improve project planning and communication, ensuring your Tableau projects are a success. Remember to subscribe.